Next, in CSS we are going to do combinators. So combinators defines the relationship between selectors, and in CSS there are 4 type of combinators. First is descendant, which is defined by space. So here within head section, this is our basic HTML code, and within head section we are giving style tag, and within style tag here we are giving div space. And now what we are going to do here, we are giving background color to blue, color of text I want it to be white, border to be 1 pixel solid black, and text align to be center. Now here within body section, first of all I'm giving h1 tag, descendant selector defined by space. This is our heading. Now here I'm creating div tag, and within this tag I'm giving paragraph tag, and here I'm writing descendant, again paragraph tag. We can write any text within paragraph tag, but I'm writing just the relevant. Descendant again. Now here I'm giving heading 2, and after this heading 2 again I'm using paragraph tag. Again it is descendant. Now we are coming out of this div tag, and here we are giving again paragraph tag. This is not a descendant. And again we are giving div tag. Within div tag again I'm giving paragraph. This is descendant. So here we have created div. This is our first div in which we have given 2 paragraph tag. After that we have given heading, and again this is paragraph. This is closing of div, and outside this div we have given 1 more paragraph tag, and again after that I have created 1 more div, and within this div there is 1 more paragraph tag. So what descendant selector does, this selector selects all the paragraph elements inside div element. So this is our div element, so it will be selected, it will be selected, and this is also this will also be selected. Again this is outside div, so this paragraph is not a descendant. Again this p paragraph tag is inside div, so it is descendant. So let's see how it is working. Save it and click on go live. So all the paragraphs which were inside div are selected, are descendant, and which were not inside div are not selected. That means they are not descendants. So this was our descendant selector. Next we are going to do child selector, which selects the direct children of specified element. For example, here within head section we are creating style tag, and within this style tag I'm writing div. Now child selector is defined by this angular bracket, closing angular bracket, and after that I'm writing p. That means all the elements which are inside div and which are direct children of this element will be selected. And what we have to do with this, we have to give We can give any formatting. Here I'm giving background color to blue, color to white, here I'm giving border to 1 pixel solid black, and text align to center. Now here within body section, first of all we are giving here div, and within this div here we are giving h1 tag, and we are writing child selector. And after that we have to give, I'm giving paragraph, this paragraph will be selected because it's the child of div. Similarly, I can create one more paragraph here. It will also be selected. Now I'm creating one more section here, and within this section I'm giving one more paragraph tag, and it's not selected because it's not the child of div. And after that, if I create again paragraph tag, so it will be selected because it's again child of div. Now after this paragraph, I'm closing my div. Here this div is closed. Closing of this div is here. Now here outside this div, I'm giving again paragraph tag. Again, it is not the child of this div, it is outside div. So whatever we will write here will not be selected because it's not the child of div. And again, if we create div, and if we create any paragraph here, then it will be selected because that is inside div. So it will be selected. So we can see that all the paragraphs which are directly inside div tag will be selected, and if there is another tag coming in between, then that paragraph is not going to be selected. Save it and go live. So we can see that this paragraph was inside, first two paragraphs were inside div tag, so they are selected, they are child of div. And this was not inside div, it was inside section, so it is not selected. Again, this paragraph was inside div, so it is selected. This was totally outside div, so it is not selected because it's not the child of div. Again, we have in the last we have created one div tag in which we have written one paragraph tag, so this is also selected because it's the child of div. So this was our child selector. Next, in CSS we are going to do sibling selector. So there are two type of sibling selectors. First is adjacent selector and second is general. So first we'll see adjacent selector, which is denoted by plus symbol, and it is used to select an element that is directly after a specific element. For example, here within head section I'm giving style tag, and within this style tag I'm giving div. Now adjacent sibling is defined by plus, and here this is our paragraph element, and here I'm giving background color to be blue, color of my text I want it to be white, border to be 1 pixel, solid black, and text align to be in center. Now here within body section, I'm giving div tag, and within this tag I'm creating one paragraph tag, and here I'm writing not a sibling, because what sibling selector says, it says that it is going to select all the element which is directly after the specific element. That means here we have specified div with p, so it is going to select paragraph tag which is directly after that p, after that div. So this is inside div, it is not going to select this. Now if I give paragraph tag here, so this paragraph tag is directly outside this div, so it is a sibling. Again, if I give one more div here, and in this div if I write two paragraph tags, then these two are not going to be sibling, and whatever paragraph tag which is coming after this closing div tag is going to be sibling. And if I write one more paragraph tag after this paragraph tag, so it is not going to be sibling, because this is not directly after div, it is after another paragraph tag, it is not adjacent, so it is not a sibling. So save it and go live. So here will be two siblings, rest all are not sibling. So this was inside div, so it is not a sibling. This was directly outside div, so it's a sibling. These two are not sibling because these were in div tag, and this is directly outside div tag, so it's sibling. And this is not directly outside, not adjacent paragraph, so it is not a sibling. And our next selector is general sibling selector, which is totally opposite of sibling selector, in which it is going to select all the paragraph tags which is outside div element. And like here in sibling selector, it was not selecting second paragraph tag because it was not directly adjacent to this div. But here if we do the same, it is going to select this one also. So here we are just copying this. It is denoted by tilde symbol. So in place of this we have to put this symbol, and here within body section we are copying this only. And here it is not a sibling, but this is sibling. Now again these two paragraphs which are inside div are not sibling, but this paragraph is sibling, and this is also a sibling in this case. In case of general sibling, these both paragraph tags are going to be sibling, and this is also a sibling, but the paragraph tags which are inside div tag are not sibling. Save it and go live. So this was inside div, so it's not a sibling. This was directly outside div, so it's a sibling. No, now these two paragraphs were not inside div, were inside div, so it is not a sibling. And these two paragraphs are outside div, so these two paragraphs are sibling.